In this video, we are going to solve complex numbers and write the answer in form of a plus bi. So here we are given 1 over 2 plus 3i times 1 plus I. So here first, we'll multiply two complex numbers. And how do we do that? Is we FOIL it. So FOIL, which means we multiply the first terms. So 2 and 1. 2 times 1 is 2 first numbers, and then O, which is outer number. So 2 and I. 2 times I is plus 2i. Then I, which is inner number. So 3 times I, 3i plus times 1 is plus 3i. Now L, the last terms of both brackets. So 3i times I, which gives us 3 times I squared. So FOIL means first, outer, inner, and last. So first terms, then outer terms, then inner terms, then last terms. Now, we solve our denominator. So we are going to group our like terms. So here we have a real number, here we have an imaginary number. So I squared, I'm gonna write 3. And what does I squared mean? So I squared is equal to -1. So we're gonna write it like so, -1. Now here we have 2i plus 3i. So what we're gonna do is write plus 2i. Actually, we're just gonna add them. So 2i plus 3i is 5i. Right, 5i. Now 1 over 2 plus minus is minus 3 plus 5i. 1 over minus 1 plus 5i. Now our imaginary number, is it still in denominator and it's not in numerator like it's asking us in the question? So what we're going to do is so we're dividing 1 by a complex number. What we're going to do is multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of denominator. And what's the conjugate? Conjugate is the same real number sign, but the opposite sign for the imaginary number. So here, the conjugate of -1 plus 5i is -1 minus 5i. The opposite sign for the imaginary number. I'm going to multiply the numerator with the same conjugate, -1, -5i. So here it's -1, -5i divided by, again, we're going to use FOIL. So first term is plus 1, second term minus plus 5i minus 5i minus 25i squared. Here. There we go. Now, this one got cancelled. So here, -1 minus I divided by 1. So here we have minus 25 I squared is -1. We're going to solve for that. Now -1 minus 5i divided by 1 minus is plus 25 minus 1 minus 5i divided by 26. Now we can write our answer in form of a plus bi. And how can we do that? Is separate our term. So this is the real number. -1 divided by 2 divided by 26 minus 5 divided by 26 by I. And this is the answer. hope that helps. Thank you for watching.